check it out.
Hello, my name is Beverly and I'm with the Casita, Chattahoochee County Public Library. Today we will be learning how to make your own DIY mug. After we make the mug, Molly's going to come on and show you how to make your very own brownie in your decorated mug. And we are doing this because reading is delicious. So you can see here I have 2 coffee mugs, and we're going to decorate one for the video. And we are going to be using acrylic paint pens. These are pens that actually have paint in them. You can use watercolor or you can use Sharpie markers, whatever you may have at your fingertips around your house. So what we're going to do with our mug is any kind of design you want to make on it. But since we are in summer reading and learning about all the different fun things reading is, I am going to make a reading is mug. And then you put whatever reading is to you. Okay, I'm just going to put fun. And then we're going to do a few designs and get ready to let our mug cure or sit for 24 hours before we bake it. So I like outer space and the sun and the moon, so I'm going to take the yellow and draw a nice little sun on the bottom part. So you can do whatever kind of design you want. And since reading is kind of a universal pastime around the world, I'm going to draw the globe. And you don't have to be a fantastic artist. I'm just kind of scribbling. So you have some designs that you can put all over your mug. And once you put these in the oven to bake, then you'll be able to reuse them and your design won't rinse off. I love reading love stories, so reading is love. Okay? So anything you want to put on your mug, it is all yours, and it's that simple. If you don't want to draw anything, you can do things like a pattern, maybe stripes with whatever color you would like to use. Circles, squares, squiggly lines. If you likes to drink coffee, your design possibilities are endless. So let's get this thing set out for 24 hours and then we will be on to baking it in the oven. We'll be back. Thanks.
So our mug has set for over 24 hours. Now we're going to put it in the oven. So make sure you have an adult present during this step. You're going to put it into a cold oven. You're going to set the oven to 325 degrees and then you're going to wait for 35 minutes. Alright, so here we are with our finished mug. We are going to create a brownie in a mug with this mug. So the first step is using 2 tablespoons of melted butter. You're going to mix it with 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar. So for this project you need butter, sugar, cocoa powder, all-purpose flour, water, and chocolate chips. So I'm going to mix my 2 tablespoons of butter with my 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar. I'm going to make sure it's mixed really, really well. Next you're going to add in the cocoa powder. Alright, next is the 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. And that was 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. And 2.5 tablespoons of water. Alright, our very last step is 1 tablespoon of chocolate chips. You can add more chocolate chips if you like, or if you don't have any chocolate chips at home, you don't need them. They just make it a little bit more chocolatey. Once everything is nice and mixed, you're going to put it in the microwave for 1 minute. Here is my final product of my brownie in a mug. I'm going to wait for it to cool and then I'm going to try it. Thank you for joining us today. I hope you enjoyed the DIY cup design and our brownie in a mug. To stay up to date with library news, please visit us on social media or stop by to say hello at one of our library branches. Have a great day.
Book talk!
Hi,
Hi, I'm Molly. I'm from the Casita Chattahoochee Valley Public Library. Today I'm going to do a book talk on this book right here, The Healthy Teen Cookbook, because reading is delicious. If you're a teen, then you can cook. Check out this awesome book from our collection made just for you. You can learn how to make dishes from around the world and even check out some photos and culinary quotes from well-known chefs. You may even be able to get your younger siblings or cousins involved in the culinary arts. Thank you for joining us today. To stay up to date with library news, please visit one of our branches, our library branches, or follow us on social media.
This has been a
Book Talk!
The Summer Reading Challenge.
We're open. Check us out.